EDUSOFT Robotics. Comprehensive STEM and Robotics Solution.
Hello, students. Welcome to EDUSOFT Robotics. In this tutorial, we are going to display scrolling text using 8x8 LED matrix. For this experiment, we will require an Arduino UNO, an 8x8 LED matrix, and some jumper wires. This is the circuit diagram of the project. So, let's start building. Connect the 8x8 LED matrix to the Arduino. Connect the CAS pin to digital pin 10, DIN pin to pin 11, CLK pin to pin 13, VCC and GND pin to 5V and ground pins on the Arduino. Connect the Arduino to the computer using the USB cable to upload the code. This is the program code we are going to upload to the Arduino. This program will allow us to display the scrolling text on the 8x8 LED matrix. You can download this code from the video description or visit our official website for more technical support. Click on Upload to upload the code to the Arduino. The output shall look like this.